पिलर 4C, प्लानिंग एंड मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक इंडिकेटर्स। ठीक है, तो इसमें अब हम सबसे पहले देखते हैं इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम्स को, जिसमें हमारा है इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम में कैपिटलिज्म एडम स्मिथ के द्वारा, वेल्थ ऑफ नेशन 1776। फिर है मिक्स्ड इकॉनमी जॉन मेयर्ड केन्स के द्वारा, सोशलिज्म कार्ल मार्क्स के द्वारा। तो ओनरशिप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज, कैपिटलिज्म में प्राइवेट सेक्टर, मिक्स्ड इकॉनमी में फ्यू इंडस्ट्री रिजर्व फॉर पब्लिक एंड रिमेनिंग फॉर बाय प्राइवेट सेक्टर। सोशलिज्म में पब्लिक सेक्टर और गवर्नमेंट, कलेक्टिव ओनरशिप होती है, नो प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी। व्हाट गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज शुड वी प्रोड्यूस, मोर बुक्स और मोर बाइक्स। तो यहाँ पे कैपिटलिज्म में लेट मार्केट फोर्सेस डिसाइडेड। मिक्स्ड में एसेंशियल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज बाय पब्लिक एंड अदर बाय प्राइवेट। कार्ल मार्क्स सोशलिज्म में गवर्नमेंट विल डिसाइड व्हाट मस्ट बी प्रोड्यूस्ड इन हाउ मच क्वांटिटी। इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम, ड्यूरिंग प्रोडक्शन शुड वी यूज मोर लेबर और मोर कैपिटल मशीन्स। कैपिटलिज्म में विच एवर मोड ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इज चीपर। मिक्स्ड में इन पब्लिक सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड, इन प्राइवेट एंटरप्रेन्योर विल डिसाइड। सोशलिज्म में प्रेफरेंस फॉर लेबर इंटेंसिव मोड ऑफ प्रोडक्शन। इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम, हाउ टू सेल और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दिस गुड्स और सर्विसेज अमंग पीपल। कैपिटलिज्म में वन हु कैन अफोर्ड कैन परचेज। और इसमें क्या कहते हैं मिक्स्ड में फॉर एसेंशियल गुड्स गवर्नमेंट में फिक्स प्राइसेस, फॉर अदर्स मार्केट फोर्सेस। सोशलिज्म में गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड्स हु नीड्स हाउ मच and will distribute accordingly. Presently, most nations are mixed economic system, including India and USA, while China officially claims to be socialist, but in practice they too have mixed economy. Egalitarianism, socialist, North Korea, Cuba, Venezuela. Communism is a branch of socialism usually run by a totalitarian government made up of one or only one party. Closed economy, a country that does not have any import or export or economic relation with rest world. Open economy. Capitalism, Great Reset initiative by WEF. Capitalism and its business model needs to be reset to build a new social contract that honors the dignity and equality of every human in health, finance, energy and education. Economic planning, it is the process through which government prepares a list of socio-economic problems, example mass poverty, low productivity in agri, etc., and then government sets goal target plans to fix these problems. Types of planning. Planning by inducement, people are induced to act in a certain way through monetary policy and fiscal policy. Planning by direction, central authorities give predetermined targets. Indicative planning, government prepares an outline of plan after consulting with public or private sector. Government do not force the private sector but just indicate the areas of cooperation targets to be fulfilled. Soft and flexible, India or France, found in mixed economies. Imperative planning, state and PSC have complete control over resources, no private sector involved, no consumer sovereignty. Strict and rigid, USSR, North Korea. Financial planning, resources are allocated in terms of money. Physical planning, allocation of resources in terms of man, material and machinery. Operational planning, short up to 1 year. Tactical planning, medium 3 to 7 years. Strategic perspective, long 10 year or more. Planning Commission 5-year plans, neither statutory nor constitutional. First 1951 to 56 Harrod Domer model, PIA. Main focus, agriculture, irrigation, power. Successful, got more GDP growth than original target. Second 1956-61 PC Mahalanobis model, socialist pattern or model of society. Rapid industrialization or heavy industry, successfully achieved GDP growth rate. Import substitution. Third 1961-66 Sukhmoy Chakrabarty and John Sandy model. also known as Gadgil Yojana, to make economy independent. Hashtag epic fail. Drought, war, Pak and China. With Pak and China. Holidays 1966-69 due to epic fall. During this period, annual plans were made. Fourth, 1969-74 Ashok Rudra and Alan Mane model. Growth with stability and self-reliance. Indira Gandhi Garibi Hatao slogan. In 1971 election campaign. Hashtag epic fail. Bangladesh refugee crisis. Fifth, 1974 to 79 C. Subramaniam and later redrafting by D.P. Dhar. Focus agriculture, फिर industry or mines. Originally, it was a long-term perspective plan with focus on poverty removal and self-reliance. While it achieved the target but terminated in 1978 as Morarji Desai became PM. Rolling plan 1978 to 80. Morarji Desai Janata government. We will measure progress every year and make new plans accordingly for next year. Sixth plan 1980 to 85. Poverty removal IRDP, NREM, TRISEM, etc. Seventh 1985 to 90. Pranab Mukherjee model. Focus on employment. For first time due to pressure from private sector. Private sector got the priority over public sector. Two annual plans 1990 to 92. Political instability at center, so only two annual plans. Eighth 1992 to 97. John Miller model. PV Narasimha Rao LPG reforms. Economic policy top priority to human resources, that is employment, education, public health. इसके बाद 9th 1997 से 2002. इसमें ग्रोथ विद सोशल जस्टिस एंड इक्विटी मोस्टली इंडिकेटिव प्लानिंग था. इसमें जो था, ठीक है, आइडेंटिफाइड 7 बेसिक मिनिमम सर्विस एंड गेव रुपीज़ फॉर दिस. यहाँ पे एपिक फेल था ग्लोबल स्लो डाउन. 10th 2207 टारगेट 8% GDP ग्रोथ रेट, 2% पर कैपिटा इनकम in 10 years, reduce poverty to 15% etc., but failed to achieve these targets. To 11th 2007 to 12 theme toward fast and more inclusive growth. C. Rangarajan framed it with target GDP 9% growth rate, 70 million new jobs, lower IMR, CMR, IT, TFR etc. failed due to US subprime crisis. 12th 2012 to 17 theme faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth. Target growth 9% GDP, 4% agri, 10% manufacturing, not achieved. 10% less reduction in poverty, creation of new jobs, get IMR 126, MMR 1000, child sex ratio 950, TFR 2:1, increasing mean school years, increase forest covers, infrastructure investment, rural teledensity. Planning Commission और नीति आयोग. Planning Commission prepared financial year plans. Niti Aayog it is given responsibility to draft 3-year action agenda, 7-year strategy document, 15-year vision document. Planning Commission, how much money should union give to each state? Niti does not decide money allocation, but it is decided by FC. Planning Commission, how much money should union give to states FYP? Niti Aayog, server as think tank, helps in monitoring scheme. Economic planning, PMEAC, PM Economic Advisor Council. Just like PC and Niti, this is also neither constitutional nor statutory body. Started in 2000 to give advice on economic issue to PM. Reconstituted in 2017 again. Last EAC's term finished in 2014. 2017 to 2014 gap. PMEAC suggested government to set up GST council like body on public expenditure. Decrease number of GST slabs, decrease direct tax to boost demand and economy. MOSPI, National Statistical Office NSO, Central Statistics Office CSO, Computation of GDP, GSDP, IIP, ISI, CPI, RU, All India and Economic Consensus, 6th, done in 2013. National Sample Survey Office, NSSO. Data collection for various socio-economic indicators, Annual Survey of Industries, ASI. Rural urban prices and other data regarding for CSO calculation. A plus B, National Statistical Office, NSSO, headed by Chief Statistician of India cum Secretary of MOSPI. Program Implementation Wing. Member of Parliament, Local Area Develop Scheme, MPLADS, 1993. 20-point program to measure performance of various schemes related to poverty, unemployment, housing, education, health, etc. और तीसरा है आपका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड मॉनिटरिंग, प्रोजेक्ट मॉनिटरिंग. Indicators unemployment. International Labour Organization headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. 1991 ILO was created as a part of Treaty of Versailles that ended World War I. Specialized agency of UN. World Employment and Special Outlook Report. Sectors, number of workers highest in to lowest or percent wise. Agriculture 21.51 crore, 44.1%. Manufacturing 5.9 crore, 12.1%. Trade, hotel, restaurant 5.89 crore, 12%. Construction से 5.71%, परसेंटेज में 11.7%. ट्रांसपोर्ट, स्टोरेज एंड कम्युनिकेशन में 2.88%, परसेंटेज में 5.9. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वाटर 0.29, यहाँ 0.6. माइनिंग 0.2 करोड़, यहाँ पे 0.4%. अदर सर्विसेज 6.44 करोड़, 0.4%. टोटल वर्कर्स 48.78 करोड़, यहाँ 100%. साइक्लिकल, इकोनॉमी गोज थ्रू बूम बस्ट साइकिल. Frictional, when a person is out of one job, is searching for another job. During this transition time, he is deemed frictionally unemployed. Discussed unemployment. Unemployment which is not visible because one person seems visually working, but his marginal productivity is zero. Seasonal, laborers in agri, salt pans, sugar mills, etc. Underemployment or educated unemployment. Person is employed but not in a benefiting position or salary corresponding to his qualification. Technological unemployment. Men are replaced with machines. Open or structural. Lack of jobs when one person's skill or qualification is insufficient for the jobs available in market. Natural rate of unemployment. Frictional unemployment plus structural unemployment. NSO survey. Periodic Labor Force Survey, PLFS. Annual started in 2017. Workers aged 15 years or higher are counted, both urban and rural. Agro and agro covered by NSO, National Statistical Office. Indicators. Unemployment rate, UR, finds unemployed persons. UR, number of involuntary unemployed person in labor force upon total labor force in 200. Labor force, those who are working employed plus those seeking or available for work, involuntarily unemployment. NSO measures unemployment in three different ways. Current weekly status, if not employed even 1 hour work per week. Current daily status, if not employed even 1 hour work in a day in a given week. Usual status, if person's usual status PP and SS was unemployed for majority of year. PP का मतलब है principal activity status, SS subsidiary activity status. High unemployment, अरुणाचल, केरला, फिर मणिपुर, फिर बिहार, AKMB. Low unemployment, गुजरात, कर्नाटका, वेस्ट बंगाल, सिक्किम, JKWS. Unemployment percent is highest among urban youth 20% and lowest among illiterates at 1.1%. Unemployment in urban youth is more than illiterates. Indicators, worker population ratio, WPR, number of employed persons upon total population of the country in 200. Indicators, labor force participation rate, LFPR, is a percent of person in labor force. LPPR, LFPR, number of employed person plus number of involuntarily unemployed person upon total person of the country in 200. It can't be 100. 50 minus 59, 15 to 59, 15 elderly, 59 children. From 2004 to 2017, LFPR female, rural plus urban, steadily declined 45% to 17% because women pursuing higher studies, entry in job market is delayed. Increase in income of some rural men. Their wives has stopped working. Mechanization of agriculture. Decrease in demand for agri workers. Decrease in textile, other export, US or EU protectionism. Decreased demand for female workforce. Workers classification by NSO. Self-employed, those who work for themselves and charge fees, do not sell their labor power for a wage. Example: unpaid labor, family laborers, partners, owners, employment of business firm. Wage or salaried employee, they sell their labor for wages. Their job continues round the year. Their number decreased as per latest PLFS Corona. Casual workers sell their labor but boss employer hires them for very short time period. Daily or monthly. PLFS male, no significant change. PLFS female, decreased. Number of workers according to category: male, own account worker, फिर casual workers, फिर salaried employed, फिर unpaid FL, फिर employer. फीमेल में unpaid FL, फिर casual workers, फिर salaried employed, own account worker, फिर employer. Combined M plus F, same as male. Hashtag GDP. Worker types. Census 2011 classification. Main workers 6 months or more, 183 days to be precise. Marginal workers less than 6 months, employed for this much duration in a year. Workers type. Informal workers, person who is not in formal records or contract of firm. He could be in unorganized sector, he could be even in organized sector. Non-agri sector, where large percent of workers are informal workers. Construction, more than 80% of its workers. Mining, more than 30% of its workers. Transport or hotel restaurant, more than 10% of workers. They are usually deprived of minimum wages, EPFO, ESIC, insurance, social security, pension. Quickly flee to village during panic. Approx in crore. Organized sector, unorganized sector or total. Female worker, organized 4.4 crore, unorganized 0.3, total 4.7. इनफॉर्मल में वर्कर्स 4.6 करोड़, 37 करोड़ या 42 करोड़. तो टोटल ऑर्गेनाइज 9 करोड़, अनऑर्गेनाइज 38 करोड़, टोटल हो गए 47 करोड़. गिग वर्कर्स, अ पर्सन हु परफॉर्म्स वर्क or participates in a work arrangement and earn from such activities outside traditional employee or employer relationship. Freelancers, contingent workers or independent workers. Two-sided market features, two set of agents, buyer or seller, interact through an intermediary or platform or aggregator app, Amazon, OLX, Uber, etc. The decision of each set of agents affect the outcomes of other set of agents. Example: customer giving 5-star rating or not. Delivery boys payment affected. Indicators GDP. It is the market value of all the goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a specific time period, usually 1 year. GDP potential. It is the highest or maximum output that a country can produce using available labor and capital at constant inflation rate. GDP gap. Potential GDP minus real GDP. GDP calculation: manufacture method, production or income method. GDP calculation method 1. Y expenditure. GDP plus I plus G plus X minus M. C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Consumption, investment, government purchase. GDP calculation method 2. Production GVA. GVA equal to total value of sale minus cost of intermediate goods. Production method also known as GVA method. Calculation method 3. Income method. WIPR. W plus I plus P plus R. Wages plus interest plus profit plus rent. Economic growth is measured by change in real GDP. GDP at constant market prices. That is when economy grows, real GDP increases. Not necessarily growth rate of real GDP will increase. Investment. Value of capital goods produced is defined as investment. Therefore, production of consumption goods and services are not investment. Therefore, buying or share or bonds is also not an investment. Goods, intermediate, get lost. Final. इसमें कंजम्पशन और कैपिटल में रिमेन्स एज इट इज ड्यूरिंग प्रोसेस. Expenditure method. If anything is produced in India, then someone must have paid for money for that. GDP equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. C आपका कंजम्पशन हो गया, I इन्वेस्टमेंट, G गवर्नमेंट परचेज और X माइनस M नेट एक्सपोर्ट हो गया. C कंजम्पशन ऑफ फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. Purchasing new car, mobile, computer, etc. both India made India or imported are counted. It will get minus in import. If existing house is self-occupied, its national rent is counted. Even if owner did not rent property. Ignore purchase of second-hand goods. Ignore construction of new houses here. Well, count it in investment. Investment. I. Tangible capital assets. Truck, machinery, new house, land, building, etc. Intangible capital assets, IPR, patents, etc. Raw material and intermediate goods, wages to worker for production, unsold inventory. Ignore saving in bank, shares, bond, etc. because it had been given to entrepreneur as capital to buy above things. G. Government purchase, salaries to employee, procurement of computer, stationery, fans, tube light, vehicle, etc. Ignore government scholarship, transfer payment, subsidies, etc. They are counted in C by beneficiaries. X minus M. Export minus imports. Export is added because it means foreigner must have bought goods and services made in India, so it is part of India's GDP. Whereas import is subtracted because some Indians have also consumed foreign products that are not made in India. Total GDP. Thus we get GDP at current market price. When we adjust it with inflation against base year, then we get GDP at constant market price. NSO real life. GDP equal to private final consumption expected C plus gross fixed capital formation plus change in stock I, government financial consumption expenditure G, on net export X minus M plus discrepancy. Production method or GVA. Production method is also known as GVA method. Amount in रुपए, mining company, engine company और tractor company for total. Total production steel 1 लाख, engine 5 लाख, tractor 10 लाख, ये आएगा 16 लाख. Intermediaries goods 0 रुपए. Suppose one dug from free land 1 lakh to 5 lakh, यहाँ आपका 6 लाख हो गया. वैल्यू एडेड A माइनस B 1 लाख, 4 लाख, 5 लाख, टोटल 10 लाख आ रहा है. GVA वैल्यू ऑफ फाइनल माइनस इंटरमीडिएरी. GVA वैल्यू एडेड एट ईच स्टेज एट बेस प्राइस प्लस प्रोडक्शन टैक्सेस माइनस प्रोडक्शन सब्सिडीज. GDP इक्वल टू GVA प्लस नेट टैक्सेस एट करेंट मार्केट प्राइस. नेट टैक्सेस इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स minus subsidies. While GVA gives a picture of economy from the producer side or supplier side, GDP gives picture from consumers or demand side perspective. GDP miscellaneous topics discrepancy. Theoretically, GDP production should be equal to GDP expenditure, but in real life, GDP production is not equal to GDP expenditure. GDP production data can be captured easily by government. GDP expenditure difficult in data capturing private consumption. GDP production method GVA is considered more accurate method among three methods: production, expenditure or income. So while NSO computes data using all three methods, but official GDP and growth figures are presented based on production GVA model method. Income method WIPR, income from Wipro company. This method follows the simple idea that whatever is made in India, its revenue must have been distributed among the factors of production. GDP W plus I plus P plus R प्लस नेट टैक्सेस. तो W प्लस आई प्लस पी आर जो है वो GV एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट है. W आपका वेजेस टू लेबरर्स है. I आपका इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल टू लेंडर्स है. P आपका प्रॉफिट टू एंटरप्रेन्योर्स और ऑनर्स ऑफ फर्म्स है. और R आपका रेंट ऑन लैंड है. अब नेट टैक्स जो है वो आपका GDP एट कांस्टेंट मार्केट प्राइस आपका नेट टैक्स है. GDP एट करंट फैक्टर कॉस्ट है ये. और प्रोडक्शन फैक्टर और इनकम फैक्टर में आपका लेबर है, तो इनकम में आपका वेजेस है. यहाँ कैपिटल डेप्ट और इक्विटीज़ है. डेप्ट पे आपका इंटरेस्ट है, इक्विटी पे आपका प्रॉफिट और डिविडेंड है. एंटरप्रेन्योर को प्रॉफिट चाहिए, डिविडेंड ठीक, और लैंड और बिल्डिंग से आपका रेंट आ रहा है. इफ़ समथिंग इज प्रोड्यूस देन समवन मस्ट हैव अर्नड रुपए. इफ वी डू all such income we get GDP. Growth rate percent. GDP present year minus last year upon GDP last year up into 100. But quantitatively production may not have increased 1 kilogram onion to 2 kg onion, and only because of inflation 10 kilogram onion to 100 kilogram onion. In the price the growth rate may be appear high. Therefore, to remove inflation impact on growth rate, we must select base year and convert current price to constant prices. GDP deflator. Nominal GDP 2019 current year price into 100. Nominal GDP current price 2019 upon real GDP constant price 2011 into 100. ये GDP डिफ्लेटर है. कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम नीडेड. 2011 GDP मान लो 3 लाख है, 2019 GDP आपका 3 लाख है. ये दोनों अनइक्वल है. क्यों? वाई? क्योंकि 1 लाख गुणे 30 यहाँ पे 1 लाख गुणे 3 कार हो रही है, और यहाँ पे 1.5 लाख इंटू 2 कार्स हो रही है. दोनों का 3 लाख आ रहा है, मगर ये रियल GDP है, नॉमिनल GDP है. GDP डिफ्लेटर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज इम्प्लिसिट प्राइस डिफ्लेटर. Back series, adjusting previous growth rates against new base year. GDP deflator. It is most comprehensive indicator to measure inflation because it covers all goods and services prices, so it helps tracking changes in consumption pattern and investment pattern. CPI or WPI. CPI only few or selected goods and services price monitored. WPI only few or selected goods prices can be monitored. Services not covered in WPI. यहाँ पे GDP डिफ्लेटर में डाटा रिलीज्ड क्वार्टरली बेसिस 3 मंथ. CPI और WPI में डाटा रिलीज्ड मंथली बेसिस. GDP डिफ्लेटर में RBI does not use it for monetary policy making because GDP deflator data comes quarterly and not monthly. CPI और WPI में RBI uses CPI all India to target inflation in its monetary policy making. MOSPI declared that it will initiate steps to change base year. Indicator present base year, proposed base year. GDP and IIP present 2011, प्रपोज किया जा रहा है 2017-18. CPI प्रेजेंट 2012, प्रपोज किया जा रहा है 2018-19. बैक सीरीज. GDP ग्रोथ रेट फिर इकोनॉमिक साइकिल. फर्स्ट एक्सपेंशन अपस्विंग ऑफ इकोनॉमी और बूम. सेकेंड रिसेशन फेज मंदी. फ्रॉम पीक प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू मूविंग डाउटवर्ड, यूजुअली एविडेंट फ्रॉम कॉन्टिन्यूस नेगेटिव ग्रोथ फॉर 2 सक्सेसिव क्वार्टर 6 months. डिप्रेशन फेज घोर मंदी. सीवर एंड लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रिसेशन. It resulted in great fall in GDP, income, employment, industrial production. Recovery phase from recession or depression towards prosperity. ये आपका जो पीक है 1 यहाँ है, सेकंड ये है, थर्ड, फिर आपका फोर्थ, ठीक, थर्ड. ट्रो. Technical recession when GDP growth decreases for at least 2 consecutive quarters. Recessionary phase. Recession is started and continued if GDP growth decreases in present quarter than previous. Expansionary phase, if GDP growth increases in present than previous quarter. Recoveries, V-shaped, if GDP growth suffers sharp decrease then quickly recovers. इस तरीके से फिर ऊपर. U-shaped, if GDP growth takes more time to recover and then rises. इस तरीके से. W-shaped, if GDP growth increase then decrease and then again increase. Decrease, increase, then decrease, फिर increase. K-shaped, if GDP growth increases for some sector, e-learning, e-commerce, etc. GDP growth decreases in some sector, tourism, gyms, theater. इसके बाद नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड, NFIA. इट इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एक्सपोर्ट माइनस इम्पोर्ट. NFIA प्रोडक्शन हैप्पीनेस अब्रॉड, एक्सपोर्ट प्रोडक्शन हैपन्स इन कंट्री. NFIA में अब्रॉड में हो रहा है और एक्सपोर्ट यहाँ पे जो है वो अपनी कंट्री में प्रोडक्शन. NFIA is the income earned by the four factors of production from abroad. WIPR. GDP miscellaneous concepts. Low base effect in GDP growth. It means the choice of or reference or comparison year affects the interest growth. Animal spirit in economy. British economist John Maynard Keynes, in his book General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, argued that investors and consumers are guided by animal spirit or psychological urge than unbiased or rational analysis of facts. Pent-up demand. During recession or slowdown, people postpone their shopping plans. Once economy recovers or if there is a festival season, sudden increase in shopping is called as pent-up demand. Hysteresis. It refers to an event in economy that persists even after the factor that led to that event has been removed. Example, even after corona is controlled, people continue to spend less fearing another lockdown or job loss. Economic growth, e.g., it measures the increase in production of goods and services. Economic development, it measures whether e.g. has resulted in improving quality of life and socio-economic structure. E.g., quantitative measures, GDP, consumption, net exports, etc. Economic development, qualitative measures, HDI like expectancy, gender indices, etc. E.g., NNP upon population equal to per capita income. ED, economic development, it will focus on inequality of income distribution. GDP, say GNP to NNP to per capita income. GNP gross national product, NNP net national product. प्राइमरी इनकम और फैक्ट्री इनकम, WIPR विप्रो वो हटा दो. सेकेंडरी इनकम और ट्रांसफ़र पेमेंट्स, गिफ्ट, डोनेशन, चैरिटीज़, फाइन्स. GNP, इंडियाज GDP प्लस 1 income earned by resident from overseas minus 1 income earned by non-resident from India. इसके बाद GNP equal to GDP plus net factory income from abroad. GNI equal to GNP equal to GDP plus NFIA by NSSO. GNP at market price, ठीक. फिर NNP equal to GNP minus depreciation. All are same. National income, net national product at market price. NNP at market price MP. NNP equal to NNP MP minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. NNP at factor cost. Hashtag NNP factor cost is the national income of India, NCERT class 12th. Per capita income equal to NNP upon population. GDP, national income or miscellaneous concept. Gross national income, GNI, OECD defines it as GDP plus net receipts from abroad plus net taxes and subsidies receivable from abroad. National disposable income, NNP, plus other current transfer from rest of the world, gift, remittances. Personal income, complicated, not important. पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम, पर्सनस इनकम, पर्सनल टैक्स पेमेंट्स और नॉन टैक्स पेमेंट्स। इसके बाद इन्फ्लेशन देखेंगे।